Okay, we're supposed to identify N, P, and X. All right, and it says in the 2008 presidential election, 54% of the voters voted for President Obama. It says what is the probability that 65 out of 100 independently chosen voters voted for Obama? Okay, so here we're selecting 100 voters. Okay, and the probability that that any one voter voted for Obama is 54%. And we want to know what's the probability of getting 65. Okay, so in this case, because we're selecting 100 voters, that's our N. N is equal to 100. The probability that any one voter voted for Obama is 0.54, so that's our P. And the X that we're interested in is 65. In part B, it says the manufacturer of LoJack stolen vehicle recovery system claims that the probability that a stolen vehicle will be recovered is 90%. And it says what's the probability that exactly 9 out of 10 vehicles will be recovered? Okay, so how many vehicles total are we looking at? We're looking at 10 different vehicles, so our N is equal to 10. The probability that any one vehicle is recovered is 90%, so our P is 90%. And we're interested in getting 9 recoveries, so X in this case is equal to 9. And here it says a student is taking a 10-question multiple choice. Each question has 4 options. One of the 4 options is correct and 3 of them are wrong. What's the probability that the student answers exactly 6 questions correct just by guessing? Okay. So how many questions is he answering? He's answering 10. So we have 10 trials, 10 attempts, and the probability that he gets any one question correct, if he's just randomly guessing, is 1 out of 4, or 0.25. And we want to know what's the probability that he's going to get 6 questions right. So that's going to be our X. Our X is going to be 6.